Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y to the power of 3. So we have like this. Now we have 1 over y squared. First derivative of y over y to the power of 3. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to negative 1 over y squared. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. And this one that is about first derivative of y. Because we don't have number 2, so I will divide both sides by number 2. So this one will change for v. This one will change for this one. Now we divide both sides by t over number 2. So we have first derivative of v and v. So this is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu t equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that positive number 10 over t next to v. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one cone here. The integration of this one, we have number 10 ln of t, and number 10 go inside about natural law in here, and we have t to the power of number 10. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 10t to the power of 9. Number 3 and number 10 we have t to the power of 13. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So we need to use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So in this one we have first derivative of v multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have vt to the power of 10. This one we have t to the power of number 14 over 14, and I will put about c. So number 2 divided by 14, we have t to the power of 14 over number 7. And now about v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.